Keywording, Lesson 28, Word Drills. Click so that the window is active, or Control F9. You're going to type everything that you see in the right-hand side in the gray box, pressing Enter to end the line on line 1 and Enter on line 2. When you're typing the third paragraph, do not press Enter after used. Let Word wrap around. Only press Enter when you get to side, and then start the next paragraph. Check your work and continue. On task 2, they want the first line right aligned. Right now it's showing at the left edge. You don't have to select it, just be on that current line. This is left align, and you're going to choose right align. So it's on the right hand side of the document. This one is centered, so just click on the line and choose centered. Click anywhere in the first paragraph and choose left align. Click anywhere in the second or the last paragraph and choose justify, and you'll notice it'll make these two lines perfectly aligned. To turn on show hide formatting, it's this marker right here, the paragraph marker, show hide, and it will show any of your spaces or your paragraphs. And you'll press Enter 3 times and key the following text, entering when you see the marker, and then check your work. Bold the first line of text from the mini toolbar. Right align the first line of text. On the second line of text, you're going to change the font type, Cambria. And the second line of text, you'll change the size to 14. The second line of text will be centered. In the last line of text, you're going to choose Personal Assistant and put that in italic. You'll key the following paragraphs. In paragraph 2, they want single spacing. This is the line and spacing option, and you'll choose single spacing. To the third paragraph, again in line spacing, you want 1.15. And in paragraph 4, you'll select double spacing, 2.0. We're going to select paragraph 1 and put that in bold. And it does it to the rest of them. And then Word 2016, you'll put that in italic. And then Word 2010 in the third paragraph, also in italic. You'll key the following 4 sentences. For undo and redo, we will put that in bold. So the bold that we just put in, we want to undo it. So up in your ribbon, you have undo. And it takes it off. In sentence 4, select redo command and put that in underline. Repeat command. And then redo. And redo is also repeat, and it'll repeat what you just did, which is the underline. So we want to open this document 28-drill 4. On our ribbon, there is up here where the floppy disk is, and undo and redo. This is called the quick access toolbar, and there's a folder here, and that's to open up a file very quickly. Instead of going to file open, you can do it right from here, which is the quick access toolbar, and then you can go right to your browse, and there's the document you'll be opening. And that was from the quick access toolbar. The beginning of the document, you'll type quick access toolbar and press enter. I guess I wasn't supposed to have the punctuation, so if you're going to do it, don't type in the punctuation. And then write a line. And you're all set. Thank you. Last one, center this one. There we go. And you should be done now. Thank you.